Welcome back to my craft room. Thinking about having a Halloween party this year? Try making these candy boxes for your guests. Fill them with candy or a small novelty item. They are a great last-minute addition to any party. If you don't have a Cricut, you can still cut them by hand and use a decorative hole punch for the center panels. Import the file into Cricut Design Space and change the center square into a scoring line. Once the file is cut, fold the score lines. You can save the center cutouts as confetti to fill in these boxes or the Halloween crackers I made a tutorial for last week. Interlock the bat wings before closing the box. I'm curling the sides to make it look fuller and more round. Then pass the bat wings through the slit. Add the candy and novelty item in the box before closing, and you're done. I hope you guys enjoy this super quick tutorial. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel and click on the bell to get notifications. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And until next time, bye-bye!